Hi, our third topic for this session is about image sequencing activity. The image sequencing content type challenges the learner to order a randomized set of images according to a task description. Okay, so we will go and create our image sequencing content in the H5P website. So how do you create an image sequencing content in H5P? Okay, same with other H5P content, you need to access H5P website first. Now that you are in H5P website, go to examples and downloads and look for image sequencing content. It's here. I'm going to open this one. And because we cannot create the content from the website without using a template, we are going to first download a template. So I will be using this template. So from the lower left side of our first template, just use reuse and then download as an H5P file. Now that it's downloaded, we can then create our own content. So from the H5P website, go to login. And from here, this is basically your personal account. Go to contents. And I'm pretty sure by now you're very familiar with how things work. Go to create new content. Okay, next step is we're going to upload the downloaded template file. So from here, just use upload or click upload. And then we're going to look for that downloaded file. So it's here in the downloads, image sequencing template, open, and then click use. Okay, so the information from the template image sequencing content is now downloaded in our editor. So as a teacher, your first task would be to edit or change the task description and the alternate task description. But basically on this particular example, since I will be using the same set of examples, I will not be changing the task description and the alternate task description. But just to give you a scenario as to how do we really create it from scratch, I'm going to remove all the images from this particular example. Okay, so it's the same with other contents. To remove an image or to remove a card, you simply delete that particular image. So the right side, there's a delete button. Click that one and basically remove everything. Now that it's clear, we're now going to add our image for image sequencing. Now take note that in terms of adding images for this particular content, it's very important that you add them according to your description. Like in this example, we're going to arrange the planets from the smallest to largest. So basically, we're going to add the image from the smallest also to the largest planet. So I'm going to add the images now, add, and then I'm going to get the images from this particular folder. So the smallest planet is Mercury. And then I'm going to give it a label. So that's it. That's our first card, or that's our first image. And then we're going to add another image. Second one is Mars. And I will give it a name, Mars. I'm just going to upload or add all the other planets here. Venus. And then we have Earth. And then we have Neptune. And we have Uranus, or Uranus, depends on how you pronounce it. And then we have second largest planet, which is Saturn, and of course, the largest planet, which is Jupiter. Okay, that's it. That's basically how you add or use the image sequencing content in H5P. So really, all you have to do is just basically add the image according to your task description, and the system will shuffle themselves when the student access this particular content. So once that you've added all the images, all you have to do really is just scroll down and save this particular content. It's saving now. All right, so this is our image sequencing activity example. So this, as you can see, it's now shuffled. Remember that we really sequence the planets based on their size, but the system automatically shuffles everything. So as a student, really all you have to do is just to arrange it, and then you just have to click solution to check if you really have the right answer. Okay, so that's how you create an image sequencing content in H5P.